So it looks like Mpumelelo Mseleko is now back with Amanhle and they're getting along so well. Mpumelelo posted this video that she's seeing, and you can actually see that the sister wives were getting along so well. A lot of people are just shocked with this transformation, and they're saying they are just pretending there's no way they are getting along after all the drama that we witnessed last seasons. I don't know when are people going to admit that not everything that we see on social media is true, and reality TV shows are also scripted because they like to keep us hooked with their storyline. So it might be that they were getting along all this time, but they cannot keep on pretending. I just can't wait for the next season of Izingane Tembo. I think we are going to see a lot of things there. Remember, they have 2 kids together, and she might have thought that going will not solve anything. It's going to be more difficult, and she might find it difficult to find another man, and also for the sake of their kids. There's some people who are saying, may this foolishness never locate me, especially in my 20s. Those people, they made a very bad choice. I don't know what you guys think. Would you settle for that in your early 20s? And I just hope she has made peace with Shibase, because Shibase once said, I don't know her. Probably now they are okay. I don't know, but I just hope they are now okay. I just can't wait to see them like in the next season or the season. We might be surprised that they are actually in the season with their parents. I don't know. Let's just wait and see. And I hope Melelo will stop at wife number 2, because he must learn from his father. His father is now a crybaby since he got himself wife number 5. He's always crying and he's having problems left, right, and center. There's no peace at all. So hopefully he's going to stop, because there's no way he's going to make that same mistake that his dad made. In February, we saw Amanhle giving birth in a public hospital, and that showed us the other side of Mpumelelo. I'm not saying public hospitals are bad, but considering their status, people were trolling her left, right, and center, and it looked like Mpumelelo wasn't in their lives. Because if he was, I think he was going to look for a better place for her to give birth. It showed it showed a bad picture, to be honest. It showed that he wasn't involved. So I don't know what really changed from that time up to where we are today and what is happening, because it's kind of shocking. A lot of people are just saying this relationship will not go anywhere and it's not going to last. I don't know what you guys think, because we've seen those people arguing, fighting in previous episodes. They were showing us that they won't make peace. So I think it's going to change. I just hope it's going to change, and Mpumelelo should just grow up at some point and accept reality and man up. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.